So I don't know about you guys, but I think Christmas in September 24th is a little bit crazy. But they have Christmas decorations out already. And I've also seen them at Walmart. Alright, so I'm at BJ's today, doing a little shopping and just hoping to see if they have the 1/18 scale Maistos. But they don't have them. But they do have these assembly line, and these are 1/24 scale, and these are the assembly line ones that you just put together yourself. I actually never buy these, but they have them here. These have 40 parts, some of them have 34, so different amount of parts for each model. So they look pretty good. I mean, if you're into that stuff, so you can see there, you don't need any paint or glue apparently. So they do have this Dodge Challenger, they have a Corvette Grand Sport, let's see here, they have a Z51, they have a Lamborghini Gallardo. Over here they got a Camaro 2017. They also have a Ford Mustang. What else do they have? Here's a Bugatti. Over here we have a Lamborghini Terzo Millennial. First time I see that one. There you go. What else do we have? There's a Corvette Grand Sport. And here we have a Chevrolet Impala SS64. Back there we got a Porsche 911. And there's these two small bins of them. Okay, here's a Toyota GR Supra in yellow, which actually looks pretty nice. So this one's got 39 parts. So I guess you just put it together yourself, opposed to buying it all put together. Down there they got a 57 Corvette, and I believe the one in the back it's exactly the same as this one, so I'm not gonna go through it. I do want to show you this other section over here where they have, let me put these back, where they have the Bburagos, the F1 cars, and these are also 1/24 scale. And this is McLaren here, so they have a few different ones. This one seems to be the same one. Look at this, they have a 2-pack here of the smaller ones. These might be the 143 or 130, oh yes, 143rd scale. So they have these as well. I don't see I guess that's the only one they have. It's probably a leftover because I believe these were already here a few weeks ago. What do we have here? Bburago. This one's a Ferrari. Now, I'm not too familiar with F1 cars, so here is what is this one? Another McLaren. This is a different driver. Down there you got a Red Bull. Let's see, over here we got a Mercedes over here. Back there we have another Ferrari. And right here we have another Mercedes, and it is different, a different driver. So let me see back here. Yeah, that's another Ferrari there. All right, so they do have a few different diecast models. So Bburago, Maisto, of course, you guys know, same company, but they don't have the 1/18 scale that I'm looking for. Oh, they also have these cartooned here diecast cars. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. So this comes with 10 different cars. I actually haven't started collecting this, and I don't think I will unless something really nice comes along. So that's it for now. Let's see here. Let me put these back. What else are they? Oh, they have these other Maisto RC cars here, F1. So it's two of them. I believe these might be 143rd scale. Not sure. But they have the Ferrari and they have the Red Bull. And I think that's it. I think that's all they have. All right, so guys, we're gonna keep looking for the 1/18 scale Maistos. But for now, that's what they have in diecast here at they have some Hot Wheels too. They have the 8-pack and they have this 20-pack. This 20-pack is $22 and the 8-pack is $11. Oh, forgot to tell you the prices. Maisto, this assembly line ones are $18. The Zamax cartoon are actually $45, which is a little pricey for me. These Bburago 1/18 scales, 124 scale F1 cars, they're $23 or 124. And the RCs are $23. So that's about it. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.